Just doing a quick update on the 68 Chevelle. I didn't realize it'd been 8 months since my last update. I've got motor, transmission, drive shaft in, suspension in. This is only a temporary motor. I did patch that. I still got to do the rest. I've not looked in the replacement panels just yet. I got the wrong motor mounts for this. It's apparently the frame mount was a 307, and I bought normal small block 350 block mounts, and so they won't work. This side of the car, I've sanded all down to bare metal. Pretty solid. I've got one spot right there in the door I'll have to cut out. One spot in the quarter panel there I'll have to cut out, fix. Looks like I got to do the same thing with the wheel well, fix that a little bit. I did get some back tires. I had to drive 4 hours, but for 50 bucks it was worth it. Other than that, I haven't done a whole lot. Fenders are just sitting on there. The door does have dents there. Of course, I got to get rid of all these little clips, cut them off, get them straight. The rockers are perfect. Cut all them off, get them out of the way. I got to sand the roof down to bare metal still. I don't see any surprises popping up in that, but hopefully this Saturday I'll sand it enough to go ahead and shoot this black with some sealer. The car's turned into more storage than anything. I've yet to do anything else with that. The trunk, that pan's perfect. Nothing to do there. Interior has become nothing but storage. But that's just it. Want to do a quick update. This, like I said, this motor is temporary. I've acquired two 6.0 motors. One of them is here, 6.0 with 4L80. I bought the Holley 302-3 oil pan, and I've sent the computer away, and that should be back this Friday. But this motor and trans is going into a 73 Nova I've recently acquired, and I got another 6.0, just the motor, that's going to go in here with my 350 turbo transmission. All right, thank you.